Hello friends, today I will be sharing with you this dual tone color editing in PicsArt, and it is also known as simple dual color editing, and I will be doing this full tutorial in the PicsArt app. As you can see here, I have taken the main model image and we will be trying to edit the image with the dual tone editing process. So first we will go to the right hand section, and in the right hand section we will choose the second icon, which is tools, and then we will click the adjust layer, and we will just try to make the background a bit darker so that the main light which is falling on the model's face gets more depth. Okay, so we will reduce the brightness a bit, minus 18 or 19 is good. Then we will increase the contrast so that the light is getting more prominent. 22 for me is good. And now we will be working on the temperature process. We will make it white so that we can work on the dual tone a bit better way, so that the exact color which is using, the exact color which is falling on the model's face, and so keeping the model's face white is required for it. So minus 34 is good for us, and we will click the right icon. Done for the model part, and then we will scroll down from the right hand side. We will click this draw icon. Okay, so clicking this draw icon, and we will be setting the brush, which I have already done in editing. So it is set for me in 128 pixels and opacity 100, but you will get default like this. It's like 16 or 12, you will get like this, so you have to just increase it to the maximum level. And here you can see another adjust layer, which is hardness. You will find it directly here, 100, but you have to reduce it to 20 so that you can do this dual tone editing. So you will click set. Okay, so next work is you have to choose the color, and we will be choosing a turquoise color shade, or you can see sea green color, and we will just click the right icon. Okay, and we will just draw a line here. Okay, just a simple line, it need not have to be a straight line. You have to just draw it, and from the left hand icon you can see the third icon, which is telling this 3 squares bended over. So you will click that, and you will find all the layers which you have used. Currently you have used 2 layers, the main model image and the color image, and you will choose the color and click on transform and just make it bigger. Okay, so you can see the glow is falling on the model's image from the left hand side. You can increase or reduce it later also if you don't like it, but for now you will can keep like this, and just click the right icon. It is done, and you will choose the next one, that is from the right hand side, which is the darker part. Another color you will choose which is falling from the right hand side and on the left hand side of the model's image. So you will choose here and another layer, which is empty layer, and just click the bend a square icon so that it dissolves, and you will choose the next color, which for me will be a light pink shade. I will choose, and just click on right, and the same process you will follow. A simple line you will draw, and again you will click the bended square icon, and again click the transform icon. Okay, so and just make it bigger. Make sure that the right hand side light doesn't cover more than 30% of the body parts of the image, because the main light is coming from the left hand side and not from the right hand side. Whereas if you want, you can always revert the colors from this, you can see, and click on done now. And now we will do the main work, which is blending options. We will click, and you can see multiple options, and you will just scroll down and click on overlay. Okay, and for the same you will do on the sea green or the turquoise color, again overlay. But this darkness shade or the light opacity is not looking good for me, so I will reduce it. For that we will do the opacity reduction. So here you can see in the bottom it is written opacity 100%, so we will try to reduce it. 53% looks good for me, and we will do for the same in the pink color also. We will do it to 51. 53 is good, 53 is also good. So for both we are doing 53%, and this is what we are done with. As you can see, the dual tone is falling on the image, and you can see from the left side the light color is also transformed, which is also showing green here. So falling on the face of the image, it looks quite good, and you can just save it as an image. You can click the three dots here and just click the save image option. As you can see, save to a photo gallery. You can see this image is quite well saved, and you can use it for any purpose. And if you want to use this model image, I have chosen it from Unflash, so I will link it in my description. You can also choose it, and it is free to use, so you can use it for all your editing purposes also. For now, thank you, and hope you like the video. If yes, then please subscribe to our channel so that you can see more editing tutorials from us. Thank you, and I will meet you in the next editing video.